Next problem. If x is equal to square root of a plus 3b plus square root of a minus 3b by square root of a plus 3b minus square root of a minus 3b, prove that 3bx square minus 2ax plus 3b equal to 0. So now we have to prove 3bx square minus 2ax plus 3b equal to 0. So I am going to use componendo and dividendo property here. So applying componendo and dividendo property. So here it is x by 1. So I am getting x plus 1 by x minus 1 is equal to square root of a plus 3b plus square root of a minus 3b. So let me put it inside the bracket. Square root of denominator a plus 3b minus square root of a minus 3b divided by square root of a plus 3b plus square root of a minus 3b minus, let me put inside the bracket, minus again bracket denominator value a plus 3b minus square root of a minus 3b. So I have applied componendo and dividendo property. Okay. Now x plus 1 as it is and x minus 1 also as it is I am writing. Now let me simplify this. Numerator term I will be getting as it is square root of a plus 3b plus square root of a minus 3b plus square root of a plus 3b minus square root of a minus 3b. Now divided by square root of a plus 3b plus square root of a minus 3b. Now minus sign I am going to bring it inside the bracket. So minus square root of a plus 3b minus into minus is plus square root of a minus 3b. Now let me cancel the common terms. Now here a minus 3b, square root of a minus 3b and minus square root of a minus 3b, the denominator square root of a plus 3b minus square root of a plus 3b cancel. So remaining terms I am going to write it x plus 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 2 times square root of a plus 3b divided by 2 times square root of a minus 3b. Now 2 is common, let me cancel 2. So now for simplifying I am going to square it on both the sides. Squaring we get here it is x plus 1 the whole square, x minus 1 the whole square is equal to a plus 3b by a minus 3b. Now here x plus 1 the whole square, so I am going to apply a plus b the whole square formula. So I get a square, that is x square plus 2x plus 1 divided by x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to a plus 3b by a minus 3b. Now again I have to simplify this. So let me apply componendo and dividendo property once more. So x plus 2x plus 1. So in order to avoid the confusion I am writing it inside the bracket. But otherwise we may miss the negative sign. X square plus 2x plus 1 minus x square minus 2x plus 1. This is equal to a plus 3b plus the denominator value a minus 3b divided by a plus 3b minus a minus 3b. So by componendo and dividendo property. Okay. By simplifying, we will be getting x square plus 2x plus 1 plus x square minus 2x plus 1 divided by x square plus 2x plus 1 minus x square minus into minus plus 2x minus 1. This is equal to a plus 3b plus a minus 3b divided by a plus 3b minus, I'm bringing it inside the bracket, so minus a, minus into minus, it becomes plus 3b. Now cancel the terms which is common. Here plus 2x and minus 2x I can cancel. In the denominator x square and minus x square I can cancel. Coming to the right hand side, plus 3b minus 3b and a and minus a I can cancel. So remaining terms I have to write. I'll be getting 2x square plus 2 divided by here 2x plus 2x, it is 4x. Again plus 1 and minus 1 is there. I can cancel plus 1 and minus 1 also. So denominator only plus 4x I am getting. Coming to the right hand side, here I get 2a plus 3b plus 3b. So it is 6b. Now here 2 is common. Let me take it outside. X square plus 1 by 4x is equal to 2a by 6b. So now let me cancel the common terms. Here 2 and 2 I can cancel. Here 2 times and 2 3 times. Okay, now let me write x square plus 1 by 2x is equal to a by 3b. Now let me cross multiply 3, let me write it like this, into 3b is equal to 2ax. Now 3b, let me multiply inside, I get 3b x square plus 3b is equal to 2ax. Now let me bring this 2ax to the left hand side. I get 3bx square minus 2ax plus 3b is equal to 0. So hence we have proved. Now let's see the next problem. Using the properties of proportion, solve for x given x power 4 plus 1 by 2x square is equal to 17 by 8. So they're asking us to use the properties of proportion to solve it. So I'm going to use the properties of proportion. So now I'm going to apply componendo and dividendo property by componendo and dividendo property. We get x power 4 plus 1 plus 2x square by x power 4 plus 1 minus 2x square is equal to 17 plus 8 by 17 minus 8. Now let me simplify this. Here I'm getting x power 4, I can write it as x square, the whole square I can write, plus 1 plus 2x square divided by, similarly here also, x square the whole square plus 1 minus 2x square. This is equal to 17 plus 8 is 25 and 17 minus 8 is 9. So here this is a square plus b square plus 2ab formula. Here it is a square plus b square minus 2ab. In the place of a I have, this is my a, in the place of a I have x square, in the place of b I have 1. So here a is x square, b is 1. So I can use the formula x square plus 1 the whole square. Similarly, in the denominator, the place of a square I have x square, so a square minus 1 the whole square. Because here negative sign is there, so I put minus 1 the whole square. This is equal to 25 by 9. So I can remove the squares on both the sides. So taking square root on both sides, taking square root on both sides, we get square root and the square gets cancelled. I get x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. So square root of 25 is 5 and square root of 9 is 3. Now I'm going to apply componendo and dividendo property. X square plus 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x square plus 1 minus x square minus 1. This is equal to 5 plus 3 by 5 minus 3. Applying componendo and dividendo property. Applying componendo and dividendo property, we have got this. Now let me simplify this. X square plus 1 plus x square plus minus 1 divided by x square plus 1 minus x square, minus into minus is plus 1. This is equal to 5 plus 3 is 8 and 5 minus 3 is 2. Now here let me cancel the terms. Plus 1 and minus 1 I can cancel. Here x square and minus x square I can cancel. So remaining 2x square in the numerator by 1 plus 1 is 2, which is equal to 8 by 2. Now let me simplify this. If I simplify this, I get 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 2 1 times and 2 4 times. So I'm getting x square is equal to 4. So x is equal to plus or minus 2. So we have found out the value of x, where x is equal to plus or minus 2. Next problem, if x is equal to square root of m plus n plus square root of m minus n by square root of m plus n minus square root of m minus n, express n in terms of x and m. So what they're asking us to find out, they're asking us to find out the n value in terms of x and m. So let me do this problem. I'm going to use the properties of proportion. Again, here it is x by 1. So now I'm going to apply the componendo and dividendo property by componendo and dividendo. We get x plus 1 by x minus 1. This is equal to square root of m plus n plus square root of m minus n. Let me put inside the bracket plus, open the bracket, denominator value square root of m plus n minus square root of m minus n divided by square root of m plus n plus square root of m minus n minus square root of m plus n minus square root of m minus n. So now let me simplify this. X plus 1 as it is, x minus 1 as it is. This is equal to square root of m plus n plus square root of m minus n plus, since it is a plus outside the bracket, so I can remove the bracket and I can write it, divided by square root of m plus n plus square root of m minus n. Now minus into plus is minus square root of m plus n Minus into minus is plus, square root of m minus n. Now let me cancel the common terms here for the m minus n, here minus square root of m minus n, I'm cancelling it. Here square root of m plus n minus square root of m plus n, I've cancelled. Remaining I'm writing x plus 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 2 times square root of m plus n by 2 times square root of m minus n. So 2 is common, I can cancel. Now I am going to squaring on both the sides. We get x plus 1 the whole square by x minus 1 the whole square is equal to m plus n by m minus n. The squaring on both the sides. Squaring on both the sides. Okay. Now let me expand it. Here it is x plus 1 the whole square, so I am using a plus b the whole square formula. X square plus 1 plus 2x by x square plus 1 minus 2x is equal to m plus n by m minus n. Now I am going to apply the componendo and dividendo property. Componendo and dividendo property, I am using it. By applying componendo and dividendo property, x square plus 1 plus 2x, put it inside the bracket, plus x square plus 1 minus 2x divided by x square plus 1 plus 2x minus x square plus 1 minus 2x. This is equal to m plus n plus m minus n, denominator divided by numerator m plus n minus denominator m minus n. So I have applied component and dividendo property on both the sides. Now let me simplify it. I get x square plus 1 plus 2x plus x square plus 1 minus 2x divided by x square plus 1 plus 2x minus x square minus 1 plus 2x. Here in the right hand side, m plus n plus m minus n divided by m plus n as it is, minus sign inside the bracket, minus m, minus into minus it becomes plus n. Now let me cancel the common terms here. Plus 2x and minus 2x I can cancel. In the denominator, plus 1 and minus 1, x square and minus x square I can cancel. Next I am getting the right hand side, minus n and plus n I can cancel. Here plus m and minus m I can cancel. So remaining I have to write it is 2x square plus 2 in the numerator. The denominator I get 4x. Here 2m by 2n. Now here 2 is common, let me take it outside. It is x square plus 1 by 4x is equal to 2m by 2n. I can cancel. 2 and 2 is common, I can cancel. Here 2 1 times, here 2 times. So remaining it is x square plus 1 by 2x is equal to m by n. Now let me cross multiply n into x square plus 1 by n into x square plus 1 is equal to 2mx. Now n is equal to 2mx by x square plus 1. So we have found out n in terms of m and x. Next problem, if x cube plus 3xy square by 3x square y plus y cube is equal to m cube plus 3mn square by 3m square n plus n cube. So they are asking us to find out, show that nx is equal to my, they are asking us to prove. So now let me apply componendo and dividendo property to simplify it and to show nx is equal to my. By applying componendo and dividendo property, we get x cube plus 3xy square plus 3x square y plus y cube divided by x cube plus 3xy square minus 3x square y plus y cube. This is equal to m cube plus 3mn square plus denominator 3m square n plus n cube divided by m cube plus 3mn square minus 3m square n plus n cube. Now let me simplify this. Let me remove the brackets. X cube plus 3xy square plus 3x square y plus y cube divided by x cube plus 3xy square minus 3x square y minus y cube. This is equal to m cube plus 3mn square plus 3m square n plus n cube divided by m cube plus 3mn square minus 3m square n minus n cube. Now you can see here x cube plus 3xy square plus 3x square y plus y cube is nothing but x plus y the whole cube formula. Similarly, the denominator x cube plus 3xy square minus 3x square y minus y cube is x minus y the whole cube formula. So I am writing this is equal to x plus y the whole cube and denominator x minus y the whole cube. Similarly, in the right hand side it is m plus n the whole cube formula divided by m minus n the whole cube formula. Now I am going to take the cube root on both sides to remove the cubes. Taking cube root on both sides, we get, so to remove the cubes I am taking cube root on both sides, so I am getting x plus y by x minus y is equal to m plus n by m minus n. Now I am going to apply componendo and dividendo property. By componendo and dividendo property, we get x plus y plus x minus y divided by x plus y minus x minus y. This is equal to m plus n plus m minus n divided by m plus n minus m minus n. So now let me simplify this. I get x plus y plus x minus y in the numerator, denominator x plus y minus x, minus into minus plus y. Now here in the right hand side, m plus n plus m minus n divided by m plus n minus m, minus into minus plus n. Now let me cancel the common terms, plus y and minus y, x and minus x I can cancel. Here plus n and minus n I can cancel. Here m and minus m I can cancel. So remaining I get 2x in the numerator. The denominator I get 2y. Here in the right hand side I get 2m and 2n. Okay. Now I can cancel 2, which is common. Now I get x by y is equal to m by n. X by y is equal to m by n. Now let me cross multiply. I get nx is equal to my. So we have proved. So they are asking us to prove nx is equal to my, and we have proved nx is equal to my. Hence proved.